Module 2, Advanced Application Management, now updated. 24 minutes to master it all. 3 modes, 1 path. Watch, try, do. And at the end, your open badge. First, watch. See every task performed in the Real Admin tool. Publishing an application takes seconds. Set it up, save it, done. Then it is your turn. Practice safely in simulation with no risk of errors. You even decide how LoRa connects. The course adapts to your choice. One browser is all it takes. The HTML5 portal, live, from anywhere. Ready? The final mission. 6 minutes, 3 attempts, 80% to pass. You asked for more hands-on labs, so here they are, the FABLAB. But be careful, even seasoned admins can be taken by surprise. Collect the evidence, investigate the session, make your call, and submit. Take back control and restore admin access, like a pro. 80% or higher? Congratulations, your open badge is ready. Verifiable, shareable, yours. Choose your mode now. Free training on TSplus Academy.